name is Brena. I'm from Singapore and I've been climbing for 10 years. There are a lot of things that I thought about when I was picking the climb. So for the technique-wise, it's definitely the ping macro part where I actually need to do a heel and step. So I have to kind of like bicycle and then I transition it to like just like a foot climb. I purposely did like a dynamic start because I want to spook the climbers up a little bit. And that's when we get through this portion where you actually need to do the heel hook and the clamps to get to the red hole. So that's where I think a lot of climbers will have difficulty trying to maneuver from here. Once we get up to this sequence here, I picked this orange specifically because of how it's a sloping Gaston. So you cannot dig your hands in to pull. You need to rely on being as relaxed as possible on the handhold. And once when you get the Gaston, you will need to step up on this blue macro. It's a big foothold, but it's a bit tricky because of how directional it is. And because of how linear it is to your handholds, you will feel like you're swinging out a lot. So you really need to keep your core tight when you actually hold on to the hold before getting up to the yellow undercling. Once when you get to the yellow undercling, honestly, everything is smooth sailing. It's just that, are you pumped?